I wanted to take a look at this. This is a Shiatsu neck and shoulder massager. Massage. I hope it's not Shiatsu. I hope it's really good. Because I've had a sore neck for a while now. And it's not going away. Integrated control panel in the handles. Well, washable, that's handy. 3 speeds. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Interesting. Vibration. 8 rotating massage heads. That's pretty crazy. Because I didn't think this thing was that big. Automatic off after 15 minutes. Massage intensity adjustable by pulling on handles. Yeah. Okay, so we got contents. Neck shoulder massager, AC adapter, instruction manual. There we go. Made in China. Okay, that's all we got in the box. And I bought it from ALDI. That's why it's got a barcode the size of Ireland there. Let's open this up. Ooh. Nothing much in the way of packaging, but it is just very soft material. Okay, so it takes a pretty common sort of power plug there. How are these buttons? Yeah, kind of tactile buttons underneath, but the top is kind of squishy and stops it from being, especially that one there, it's sort of feels like the button almost sticks in there a bit. That one's really good. Yeah, those two are a bit, especially this one here. It's a bit funny. That's okay. What have we got? Some sort of, no, it's not strain relief there. It's just a little port to pull cables through. That's the other fold. And yeah, that's the that's all the massage heads in there. So that's what it looks like, folks, and that's what happens when you don't pack it in anything. You just put it straight in the cardboard. You get bits of cardboard all over your stuff, but that's okay, because the less plastic the better, I suppose. What else is in the box? We have a power adapter. We'll have a look at this. So it's just 12 volt, 2 amp. So basically you could run this off anything. Anything you've got. Switching power supply, so it's a switching one. It actually says that it's a switching one. That's a fairly long cord. I'm going to say it's as long as my arm span, so about 1.8 meters of cord there. Nothing else in the box. So we'll have a look at these instructions. So you can take your screenshots and have a look at them. Nothing and nothing. Rightio. I suppose I'll put it like that, and we'll get it plugged in. So that should be powered up now. And I'm just going to have a quick look at what these buttons actually mean before I press them. So what have we got here? We've got, it's hard to read it when I've got it that close up to the camera. So power button is number 4. 2 massage heads. Number 2 lights up. So where is number 2? Using the product. 2. Oh, okay, it just says that. Yep. I thought it might have been a light or something. Nope. So light up and start rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise at medium speed with heating function. Okay, so it just turns on automatically when you hit the power button. Power button to turn off. Change the massage direction by hitting the cycle button. Change the rotation speed by hitting number 6. That's your 1, 2, 3 different speeds. Deactivate or reactivate the heating function by pressing the heat. So it comes on automatically by the sounds of it. Deactivate or reactivate vibration. Okay. So that's the separate thing too. Right. Okay. So we'll turn that on. Oh, right, so there is a light in there. Okay. Now it says 8 rotating heads. I'm trying to feel... because there's definitely 2 spinning parts, right? So is that vibration as well? I'm just going to... oh, okay, so all that noise is the vibration, right? The spinning is just... almost... it's very quiet, the spinning. Okay. So I'd say the vibration is going to get quite annoying right on your... because it's basically right in your ears. Oh, okay, there we stopped, and it starts going in the other direction there. Yeah, so the vibration function is quite noisy. Can't really feel like a great vibration from it. You can feel it, but it is quite gentle for the amount of noise it's making. Yeah, you can definitely feel it, but it is quite gentle. I'm just trying to see if I can feel any sort of residual heat in there from the heating element. I guess it's turned on. Ah, see, the heat is with the light. We'll try out the speeds. Okay. So it automatically starts on high. Vibration is the same on all levels, I think. Yeah. So it automatically starts on high with the heat on when you just hit the power button. I can't actually feel any heat in there at all. We'll drop that down to low. Can I feel any heat? I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. What have we got in here? Because it says it has a washable cover. So let's unpower this, and we'll unzip this and have a little gander inside. Oh yes, okay. So that unzips, and so does that side. So I guess that's the washable cover part. It's got a washable label there for you. And it's got a handwritten L. My name's starts with an L, so that's pretty cool. And what have we got here? I don't see another way to get into this without being forceful. Although that is a zip along there. Ooh. I reckon up in here there's a hidden zip. Am I going to be able to get it without using some sort of tool? Oh yes, I've got it. I've got it. So there's a little hidden zip up in there. We'll unzip this. We'll see what that gives us access to. Ah, look at that. So literally your 8 spinning heads are these. There you go. Looks like there's one motor. It's quite a large motor in there. I'm still trying to see where the heating element is. There's the LEDs. Looks like we can take this out. There's 4 wires going down in that. Just lost my lights. So I'm just trying to see where the heating element is. Oh, yep, okay. That's not attached. I can't quite see any heating element. There are some red. I'm not sure if they're LEDs or are they tiny heat lamps? I've never seen anything quite like that before. It's going to be impossible to get a good shot for you. That's hot glued in, whatever that is. Oh, that'd be the vibration unit there. But I'd say that they aren't LEDs. I'd say that they are some sort of little miniature heat lamp. And they've just got red glass around it. If I can get a good shot in there. If I can get it to focus on it. Yeah, I think they're a heat lamp. You can see a little. I'll just go to take it off camera. I can see a little filament in there, I do believe. So what I'll do, I'll plug the power back in. And I guess I'll just hold the foam just to make it semi-safe, but there's going to be live electrical parts in here, obviously. Oh, no, it's 12 volt. Well. Well, you know, it's 12 volt, but it could be reference domains. Who knows? Anyway, we'll hit the power button here. Yeah, so they are a little filament bulb in there. So you wouldn't want to touch them, because you'll leave a fingerprint on there and it might burn the bulb out. I'm just going near it. I can feel... Oh, just turn that vibration off. That's annoying, the sound of that. I can feel a little bit of heat coming from it. But I must say it's not a lot. So obviously that's a little control board in there. Where I am, I don't think I have a screwdriver on me. Just looking around. No, I don't think I have a screwdriver, but there won't be much in there. It'll just be a tiny circuit board to control the back and forth. There'll be a little microcontroller to communicate with the buttons here. But yeah, interesting. Yeah, I can feel a bit of heat coming off those little bulbs. So obviously they're tiny little 12 volt heat lamps, which is interesting. I've never seen that before in my life. Yeah, so that's the Shiatsu neck and shoulder massager, and I'm probably butchering that pronunciation. It's probably Shiatsu or something. I've never seen that word before either. So, Shiatsu, something like that. Neck and shoulder massager.